Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Oppo A55i. And guys, and this is a new budget phone that we have from Oppo, and this one is costing around only 28,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6s Gen 1 SoC, and this SoC also available in the 50,000 PKR Oppo A5 Pro 4G. We also have a 45 watt super fast charging, and this one has 5800 mAh battery size. We also have IP54 water and splash resistance. So I am really excited to see that what is Oppo A5i has to offer in this phone other than the Snapdragon 6s Gen 1 SoC. So on the back we have some more specification. We have 4 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the Nebula red color, and this one is also manufactured in Pakistan, which is a good thing. So first let me remove the plastic with my knife, and let's remove the plastic. So once again we have a similar looking box, so let's open this box like this. So on the top we have Oppo A55i in the red color. Now let's start the phone from this wrapping. So guys, you can see here it's a Nebula red color looks like. On the back we have a matte finish, which feels, I would say, good, although the back is made up of plastic. On the back looks like we have a single camera only actually with LED flash, and the design language, it is really similar to the Oppo A5 Pro 4G. So anyways, now let's quickly boot this phone up, and Oppo logo should be appear on the screen. Yes, it is. Now let's see what else we get and then the phone. So below there is our silicone case, but we have our simulation tool as well as a quick start guide, and here is the silicone case which comes in the black color, which feels really nice, good quality silicone case that we are getting. So inside the box we have our 45 watt super fast charging, and this is the cheapest smartphone, I would say, that give you a 45 watt super fast charging as well as a Snapdragon 6s 4 Gen SoC. Also, and then the charger, we also have USB type C to USB A cable, which is a good thing. So that's about it inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. Let's look at the Oppo A5 Pro. The phone, it is on. So first let me show the physical overview. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. So on the left hand side we have our SIM tray. Now let's see the SIM tray on this Oppo A5i. So you can see we have a triple slot, so you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot, but we don't get a rubber gasket, which is really disappointing, although we have IP54 water and splash resistance. So on the top we have absolutely nothing. So on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, and looks like we also have our fingerprint scanner inside the power button built in. So on the back we have 8 megapixel main camera, then we have a camera looking lens as well. So on the front we have 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rates. So the 90 Hz as well as with the punch hole, it is a good addition in this Oppo A5i considering the price. And the bottom chin, it is also looks really average. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, here's the first boot of the Oppo A5i. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, once again this one has a IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate, and this is a 720p resolution. So now let's see the max brightness, and the display looks, I would say, really bright, so we don't have any issue. So here's the notification panel looks like, and let's go to the settings. And now let's see the Android version first on this Oppo A5i, because Oppo A5 Pro is running on Android 15. So about device, this one is running on Android 14, which is a really disappointing. Now we also have Android 16 on some phones right out of the box. Also we have 64 GB of internal storage, only 21.5 GB it is already used. And the good thing is that we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 6s Gen 1 SoC. Also we have 5100 mAh battery size with the 45 watt super fast charging, and these two things are the main highlight of the Oppo A55i. So let's go to the display and let me show the refresh rate option. So you can see we have 90 Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. you can see in the fingerprint scanner it is working, no issue whatsoever. And let's look at the camera. The camera is, I would say, weak on this Oppo A5 Pro, but let's see the picture quality. And the picture quality, it is actually decent, I would say. Here is the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. So here is the pro mode, and here is the panorama. In the mode section we also have our night mode, and we also have our time lapse. We don't have any portrait mode on this Oppo A5i, which is a really disappointing. This is a 2025 and we don't get a portrait mode inside the camera. So on the front we only have 5 megapixel. So yes, in the 5 megapixel it is, I would say, not the greatest, but it is useful, I would say. So here is the video mode, and the front facing camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps. Once again, no portrait mode in the mode section, and the night mode is also available with the front facing camera. So anyways, now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5100 mAh battery size, and combined with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6s 4th Gen SoC, and this one should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And the 5100 mAh battery size, I would say, it is really good for this Oppo A55i. So overall, I have to say, if you are especially looking for an Oppo phone in this price range, yes, you can definitely buy the Oppo A55i. And the two things it is really stand out, one is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4th Gen 1 SoC, as well as a 45 watt super fast charging. And other that, every single thing on this Oppo A55i, it is average, I would say. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo A55i. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.